building strength for stability and balance. So let's get started. Come to the easy seat position, root down through your bones, straighten up the spine. The crown of your head is facing the sky. Take your arms through the side of your body, open them up, palms to the sky, and bring them over your head into the Namaste. Nice and slow on the breath out, bring them in front of your heart. Now let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open up your arms, open up your palms and over your head, and breathe out, let it go. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in, opening up, and breathe out, let it go. Arms in front of your heart. Gently close your eyes here and take a moment here. Be present, be now. You made it in here on this mat. And let's enjoy our practice. Place the palms on your knees and just swing the opposite elbows to the opposite knee. Rotate a couple of times to the right and left. Explore your body in here. Feel your body and feel how it feels today to be here, be present, listen to your heart, to your body. Slowly come back to the center, draw your shoulders to your ears and back. Do this motion a couple of times. Lift your shoulders up and down. Now let's take it to the opposite direction. Come back to the center. Drop your left ear onto your left shoulder, and with the help of the left hand, place it on top of the right side of your head. Create gentle heaviness. Feel the stretch in the right side of your neck. And then place your head back to the center, and let's take it to the opposite side. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Take your right arm and place it on top of the left side of your head. You can control the pressure here and see whatever feels for you the best. Breathe in and breathe out, come back to the center. Now, let's take a circles with our head clockwise. Take it nice and slow. Create a wide motions. And then take it to the opposite side. Slowly come back to the center. Now, with the help of your right hand, position your head 45 degrees and slightly drop your chin towards your chest. Feel the stretch on your back, neck, and place your head back on the mat. And now let's take it to the opposite side. On the left, 45 degrees angle drop. Left hand on top of your head. And slowly come back to the center. Now extend your right arm by the side and place your right palm on the right side of your head and create a little tension in between your head and the palm. Don't let the palm move your head. Your elbow is facing to the right. Take a couple of breaths in here. Stay strong. And let it go. Now put the pressure on your forehead, and same here. Don't let your head move any inch. Beautiful. Now extend your left arm in front and place it on the left side on your head. Create a little tension. Breathe in, breathe out. And now turn your head to the right and then to the left. Let your chin be parallel to your mat. And now slowly come back to the center. Draw your shoulders to your ears and back. Extend your arms, place them to the sky. And place your right arm on the right side of your body, left over your head. Look towards your left palm. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back to the center and let's take it to the left side. Side bend. Take a couple of breaths here, in and out, and come back to the center. And then we're gonna flow here on the breath in to the right and breath out to the left. Wave-like motions. So take your pace here and explore a little bit your body. See how far you can bend. See what feels right for you today. What your body wants to do, where it wants to move. And slowly come back to the center, arms to the sky, and rotate yourself to the right. Place your right hand behind you and look over your right shoulder. With each breath in, maybe open up your chest a little bit more. With the breath out, twist yourself a little bit deeper. Breathe in and out. Breathing, come back to the center, arms to the sky, and on the breath out, twist yourself to the left. Breathe in, come back to the center, arms to the sky, rotate your wrists any direction. And now place your palms back on your knees. Draw your shoulders to your ears and back, straighten yourself up. Take a couple of breaths in here in seated position. Maybe gentle, close your eyes. Observe within. Now let's come to the tabletop position. Make sure that your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Now from here, I would like you to drop your belly button down and gaze up. Breathe in, breathe out, gaze in between your thighs, round your spine. Let's flow in here, cat and cow pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's take a circle movement with our spine. Take your head with you, draw the circle to one side. And then let's take it to another side. Slowly come back to the center into the neutral tabletop position. Open up your knees and send your hips back, child pose. Breathe in, round your spine, send yourself forward into the upward facing dog. Open up your chest. Breathe in, breathe out, gaze over your right shoulder. Breathe in, back to the center, breathe out over your left shoulder. Repeat this a couple of times. Come back to the center and send your hips back into the child pose. Hug yourself in, squeeze everything in. And now extend your legs. Let them fall down on the ground. Let your arms fall down on the ground. And here we're coming into our final pose, Shavasana. So take the comfortable pose, and here make sure that nothing disturbs you, that you're lying in completely comfortable temperature. And your body is melting on the ground. Let all the tension just melt. The option here is to scan your body from the top to the bottom and feel if there is any tension. Bring attention to this tension, and then with a white light, let it all melt out. You can stay in Shavasana as long as you like, but we're gonna move forward. Roll over to your favorite side, create a pillow with your hand, coming into the embryo pose. Take a couple of breaths here in and out, and then nice and slow shift yourself into the easy seat position. Your eyes might be still gently closed. Draw your shoulders to your ears and back, straighten up your spine. And now let's take together one deep breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. Let's do it one more time together. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go through the mouth. One more time, breathe in, fill up the air, fill up your lungs, your stomach, your chest. And then let it all out with a big beautiful job, everyone. That's what it for our session today. I invite you just to stay here into the easy seat a couple of more minutes and bring attention within and generate this calmness which we collected through the yoga course. Feel this grounding, this stability we just created. Then just start your day with the new feelings, with the good emotions. Thank you very much. Namaste.